Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my few items that I use while I'm painting, or usually use some kind of wash to put more details on the miniature. And yeah, if you are doing this hobby for a longer time, you have probably came across a situation when you have open your pot of paint or wash and just you are in the zone, you are painting, maybe you are listening to a nice audiobook or music, and you just for no reason you bump the bottle and it spills out. Yeah, this can be really costly, so therefore I do recommend I'm using different kind of holders. So the first holder that I purchased was from Game Envy, was this 3D printed one. Then I got one also is the Wash Wizard, which is laser cut MDF, just put together, two pieces. And let me show you, these will fit really nicely the large and also the small pot from Citadel or Games Workshop. And then also Citadel came up with their own products. Why to buy another company's product if you can produce your own? And they opted for a three part or freestand, which is, as you can see here, nicely snug fit, and this will not fall over with any kind of extreme bumpage. Let me show this one. This will be moved, not turned over. So yeah, just consider it. These are a few dollars. You can buy them online, or I have here the card from Game Envy. So here are the information. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I just wanted to share with you a few options you can go for. Yeah. So just a quick video. So this is the paint pot holder, and really handy thing to have on your table while you painting miniatures. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, and hope to see you soon. Have a nice day.